Hey guys, I'm super excited to share with you Mielle Organics' new Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger collection. Now this collection includes a moisturizing overnight conditioner, a moisturizing hair butter, a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, a moisturizing scalp treatment, and last but not least, a moisturizing styling gel. And I'm so excited to show you guys how these products work and how I use them for this style right here. I created a cute pony mohawk type of look using perm rods. So just stay tuned to get more info on these products and how I achieve this style. So I used this moisturizing overnight conditioner on a 4th-day-old wash and go, and even though it still looks defined, it was starting to dry out. So this overnight conditioner is perfect for those who need additional moisture and hydration to your hair. Now this conditioner is infused with ginger and avocado, which is going to help bring your curls back to life. So it does have a nice creamy consistency, which you guys know I love thick creamy products. The whole entire line smells amazing. So if you are someone who loves good smelling products, these are it. I went ahead and just followed the directions. It did say to apply from your ends to your roots. It didn't say to use water, so I didn't use water. I was a little afraid about that because I wasn't sure if it would detangle my hair easily, but the slip was amazing. So once I applied that to my section, I twisted my section up, repeated those same steps, and then I went ahead and put my hair into a ponytail, and it does say to cover your hair with a plastic cap. I don't have a plastic cap, so I just use my plastic bag and I just went to bed and let the product soak into my hair overnight. This is the next day when I took down my twist, and I could definitely tell my hair soaked up that conditioner. So the directions do say to rinse and then shampoo, so that is what I did. And then this is what my hair looked like when I got out of the shower. It just felt so good, so moisturized, and I definitely do think I'm going to try and incorporate doing overnight conditioning because I really loved it. For this Ponytail Mohawk, I am going to start with my first section in the back. I did start with my finger to part my hair, and then I went in with my rat tail comb to clean up my part and make sure it was nice and straight. Before I moisturized my hair, I moisturized my scalp using the Scalp Treatment, and this is infused with menthol, ginger, and avocado. So this is perfect for those who have dry, itchy scalp like I do. So I just applied that to my scalp, worked it in, and I really like this. It has a nice consistency. After that, I went ahead and just sprayed my hair with water and detangled with my Tango Teaser. I did work in 2 sections just to make it easier. Y'all know how it is working with natural hair. So I did that, and then I applied the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner is supposed to lock in moisture and also give you long-lasting definition, help get rid of frizz, and I really enjoyed this. I loved the consistency. It wasn't too thin like a lot of other leave-in conditioners can be. It was just perfect. It really softened my hair, and I do feel like it was a good first step to getting moisture into my hair. Now, this moisturizing hair butter, so good, you guys. The consistency, of course, I loved. It was just packed with a ton of moisture. I definitely could tell that it packed like a bigger punch of moisture than the leave-in, but paired together they were amazing. And I don't know, I think you can even tell the difference with adding this hair butter. I definitely can tell it gave me a lot more shine and also helped my curls to define a lot more. So even though I am going to be doing a kind of like a rod set, I definitely will be trying this for a twist out. Now last but not least, I used the Moisturizing Styling Gel. This is alcohol free. It's supposed to give you no crunch and no flaking, and also hydrate your hair while giving it hold. So it's perfect for anything such as twist outs, braid outs, and ponytails. So that's what I am using it for. I'm just applying it to the roots of my hair so that I can put my hair into a nice sleek ponytail, and it did a really good job. Now, once my hair was in the ponytail, I just went ahead and took small pieces of hair, detangled it so it could be nice and smooth, added a little bit more of the Moisturizing Styling Gel so that my hair could have hold while it was on the rod, and then I went ahead and added my perm rods. I used the orange rods, and I guess they're a beige-ish color. They're very similar in size. I use those to rod my hair, just rolling the ends of my hair and then wrapping it all the way up. So I repeated these steps 2 more times because I had a total of 3 ponytails. I made sure to use the leave-in conditioner and the hair pudding to moisturize, and then the styling gel to give me a nice ponytail, as well as giving me some hold before I went to rod my hair. So once I finished, this is what my hair is looking like. I did tie my hair around my edges so that my hair wouldn't, mess up while I slept. And then this is the next morning. My hair is dry and I am just taking down the rods, and you can see I have some really good curl definition. I did go ahead and use some of the Scalp Treatment, applied it to my hands just so that when I went to separate my hands will be coated in a light oil to help reduce frizz and give it even more shine. So the last finishing touches were to just fluff my hair and kind of help it blend a little bit. Also, of course, you can never forget your edges. And then this is the final look. I really enjoyed this style on myself, and my hair was super soft, moisturized, and defined. So you guys definitely need to get your hands on this new Hawaiian Ginger collection. I love everything from Mielle Organics, y'all know that, so get your hands on them now. They are available on the mielleorganics.com website. I'll put everything down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.